Yum. Ooh, 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 brother, ooh. Ooh, that's nasty. Should put my gloves on. I don't even know what that right there is. Maybe some bubble gum got sucked up in there. Oh. 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 I love my job. I love my job. I love being a heat and air guy. Ooh, yeah. Something right there. Bam. Half done. Ooh, big old chunk right there. Look at that flopping in the wind. Ooh. Be great if it all would just fly off there. Oh, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna get the whole sheet. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. Spray them all. The brush is all right there. Ooh. Chunk in there. Alright, we'll get the coil clean. Let's see what else is wrong here. Looks like a bad 5 amp. 5 amp that way. 5 amp that way. Huh. Guess you can't go wrong.